Today we're going to be talking about neurotechnology and how it can transform digital landscapes in the future.
Neurotechnology includes both devices and methods that directly communicate with the brain and creates a connection between technology and our neural pathways. First, we can record brain activity through sensors, which capture the electrical signals generated by neurons. Advanced algorithms then interpret these signals, which helps us better understand brain function and detect patterns linked to certain behaviors. This allows us to stimulate specific brain regions by targeting certain areas, which can be useful for treating disorders or enhancing cognitive functions.
Neurotechnology creates business values in a multitude of ways. First, it is driving innovation in healthcare with new therapies, tapping into growing markets, and reducing user friction for patients with neurological disorders. These technologies are also enabling earlier and more accurate diagnosis of brain conditions. Automated processes like brain-computer interfaces are able to produce better patient outcomes and increase demand. Finally, the brain data being collected is driving innovation in AI, personalized medicine, and consumer products. By democratizing data, companies can provide their patients with highly tailored solutions to their needs.
Neurotechnology has a ton of untapped potential in transforming the digital landscape of companies, one being the personalization of consumer experiences to advance digital marketing by monitoring individuals' brain patterns. Another is human-machine integration, which advances the interface between humans and the digital systems we work with, revolutionizing how we interact with technology and opens up opportunity to create new ventures. With insights into human cognition and the monitoring of brain signals, we will be able to produce data-driven decision-making, which would allow companies to replicate human management and further digitize operations.
In the real world, brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are computer-based systems that acquire brain signals, analyze them, and translate them into commands. Output devices receive the information and carry out desired actions. BCIs offer a new treatment option for patients that are unable to perform a physical action. It also democratizes data and automates processes with its data insights as data is stored in the computers to better predict and decode brain signals. BCIs also open up new ventures and growth opportunities for businesses, since new devices can be created for each individual's needs. Furthermore, users in the BCI work together and train one another. This digitizes operations by allowing users more flexibility in their lives through a computer-based system.
For neurotechnology to be widely adopted, it must first pass a regulatory approval process. These technologies interact directly with the brain, raising questions about privacy, consent, and the potential for misuse. Another major hurdle is cost. Making these devices more affordable will be key to their widespread accessibility. Lastly, there are technical limitations to overcome. The effectiveness of these devices are constantly improving, but we still have a long way to go before they can reach their full potential.